Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Confident Lips. Feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more detailed videos. Okay, so in this video, I'll be talking about 4 things. Number 1, my hair. Number 2, the refund that I had to do. Probably you guys didn't even know that I had to do a refund. And, number 3, how it was doing a collaboration. And number 4, the advantages of doing a collaboration. So let's get into the video. I'm not even going to do the hand thing. I have no time for that. Right, number 1. If you like how my hair looks, I did a whole video on how I braided my own hair. And it's not that I want to get views on the video, but I honestly think that is a skill that females should know how to do, because let me be real, not always you're going to have money. You won't have money to pay your hair just all the time. You might have money to buy the braids, though. You might have money to buy the braids. So if you buy the braids, why not braid your own hair? You want to look sassy and you want to look cute and you have no money. Braid your own hair. I mean, that probably might have come out wrong, but no, I don't mean for it to sound in a bad way, but it's a skill that females should learn how to do. You wouldn't always have money. Okay, so I will leave that video either over here or in the description down below. Oh my god, I forgot to welcome the new people here. If you are new here, welcome. And I hope you like my videos. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2, I had to perform a refund, and honestly, I thought that it would have gone haywire, cussing and carrying on and stuff like that, but it didn't go like that. I don't know if it's because of my approach to the situation. That could be key too. Because, I mean, some business people, when customers demand a refund, the approach to it just kind of, it sends the customer up a wall, and that's why they lash out like that. So I think if I am calm and collect, that the situation would not be a raging fire. So obviously I approach the situation calm and collect. And the person wanted a refund because she was not satisfied with something that was in the hamper. By all means, everybody has their opinions. I'm not going to say that she was right or she was wrong, but everybody has their opinion, and nothing is wrong with giving your opinion on something, because it helps us, the entrepreneurs, to improve. So if you don't like something, by all means, tell us what we could improve on. And I just need to make this known that we are just starting our businesses, and not everything is going to be perfect. Everything is going to be perfect. We'll have these bloopers and these moments. Like, for example, you think that I am not aware that um one type of lip gloss was not really up to par. That was the one that I made on the live, the 3-color one. Yes, the 3-color one. You think that I don't know that that wasn't 100%? The appearance was okay, but the actual lip gloss itself, I only realized this from somebody I sold it to. I saw her was about to use the lip gloss, and I said, you know what? Give me that, let me see. And I honestly did not like the scent of it. And you know why it gave that scent? Because the only oil I used to thin the base was coconut oil. And that's probably one of the worst mistakes that I made. But the thing is to always learn from your mistakes. You think that knowing that coconut oil gives off that scent, do you think that I would use coconut oil alone to thin the base again? No, I'm not going to do that because we learn from our mistakes. So, as businesswomen and businessmen who are just starting off our businesses, you need customers need to be a little, what's the word? A little lenient on us. Okay, we would get there soon. What you could do is provide us with feedback telling us this wasn't all that good and what we could do to improve it, because you complaining about it does absolutely nothing. You complain and say, oh, I don't like this. Why you don't like it? How are we going to improve it? You know, that's the stuff we want to hear. So just be a little lenient on us. And on behalf of the person that was in the collaboration with me, I just want to say that sorry. I just want to say sorry. And the reason I'm saying sorry is because you weren't satisfied, and that is sad to hear. So I'm just saying sorry. Okay. Number 3. How was the collaboration? The collaboration was absolutely amazing. The female is so nice. Like, I am not even joking. She speaks to you politely and nice, and we communicated a lot. A lot as in almost every 2 days we would communicate and say, okay, I have this hamper to deliver. It's going to be delivered today at this time and stuff like that. We communicated a lot, and communication is key. And I think that is what made the collaboration so beautiful. Like, I would recommend anybody to collab with her. Understand? And I should note that I didn't screen record this, but how the hampers were delivered were based on a list that I created. So in all, I think we had about nine hampers in all. So I took five persons, and she took the 4. So I created a list. If I get the chance, I would screenshot it because it's in my notes. I'll screenshot it and place it right here. But once it doesn't feel like a one-man show, you're good to go. Okay. Number 4. Advantages of doing a collaboration. I am going to list out the main advantage. You gain customers. That's just it. You gain customers. How you gain customers? You gain customers because, remember, the person you're doing a collaboration with would be sharing the flyer on his or her page, which attracts their followers, and some of their followers might be interested in some of the things that you are selling. You understand how that whole cycle works, you know? So the main advantage of a collaboration is the fact that you gain potential customers. So I hope this video was beneficial to you. It's just how I am tired, but thank you.